Luke.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I've got a challenge here. Love that came with a protective film on here.
What happened?
This quarter glass is damaged. The one that was in the back of the car, I didn't realize until I pulled the blue protective film that was on it, and it's got a couple of dings in it.
Oh, like bad dings or sharp dings or just tiny dings?
I'm gonna send you a picture. I've got 2 noticeable dings. Yeah, I'm gonna send you a picture, but yeah, that's what I mean, just now discovering it.
Oh, wow. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's only we don't pull it out until we install it.
Yeah, and even I was making note, it had this blue film on it. But let me send you a couple pictures.
Okay, I'm going to see if my guy can pull it out. Fix it.
Okay. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. That's not a back glass. That's not a back glass.